how to get your aircon super cold, super fast. When your car feels as hot as an oven and you want it to cool down as fast as possible, use these as top tips. Number 1, skip the stationary start. You're just going to end up wasting fuel or electric if you're in an EV. Number 2, get moving. The quicker your engine turns, the faster your AC compressor will run, making it a lot more effective. And don't forget, to stay up to date on all things tyres and servicing, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Once you're on your move, turn your air conditioning on and open all your windows for about 15 seconds. Then put your air conditioning blower onto full. Once you feel the cold air coming through, you can shut your front windows, but you may leave your rear ones open for a little bit longer to pull that cold air to the back of the car. Once windows are up, you can set your aircon to your preferred settings and temperature. If you're alone in the car, turn your air recirculation button on. However, if you've got a full car, then it's best to keep it turned off because it can get a little bit stuffy. If your car has an auto stop start function, it's best to switch it off. Although it's designed to save fuel, it'll also switch off the compressor when you stop, which isn't what you want. Lastly, make sure your pollen filter is in good condition. Having an old, dirty filter prevents optimal airflow, stopping you from enjoying cool, fresh air conditioning. So there we have it. On those boiling hot days, you now know how to get cooler, faster. To find out more, head to EdenTyres.com.